everyone, I'm Peter, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your very own Instagram account. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create New Account. Tap on that. Step 2. Sign up with email. You'll be given a couple of options to sign up. I usually prefer using my email address, so I'll tap on Sign up with email address. Step 3. Enter your email and confirm. Go ahead and enter your email address. After that, Instagram will send a confirmation code to the email you provided. Check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it into the app. Step 4. Create a password and add personal details. Next up, create a strong password to secure your account. Then, you'll need to enter your date of birth. Step 5. Input your name and choose a username. Now, input your full name. This is how your name will appear on your profile. Then, create a username. This will be your unique identifier on Instagram, so pick something that represents you or your brand. Once you're happy with it, agree to Instagram's terms and policies, and tap on Create New Account. Step 6. Add a profile picture. You'll be prompted to add a profile picture. If you have one ready, you can add it now. If not, no worries. You can skip this step by tapping Skip. Step 7. Find friends from Contacts. Instagram will ask if you want to connect your contacts to find friends who are already on the platform. You can allow access or simply tap Skip if you'd prefer not to. Step 8. Connect to Facebook. Optional. Next, you'll see an option to get friend suggestions from Facebook. If you don't want to connect your Facebook account, just tap Skip. And that's it. Your new Instagram account is all set up and ready to go. What's next? In my next video, I'll show you how to optimize your Instagram bio before you start creating content, so stay tuned for that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hi everyone, I'm Peter, and today I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram account to a professional account. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. Step 2. Access account settings. From the sidebar, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find For Professionals and tap on it. Choose Account Type and Tools. Step 3. Switch to Professional Account. You'll see an option that says Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it. Tap the Continue button to proceed. Step 4. Select your account category. You'll be prompted to choose a category that best describes your account. Options include blogger, writer, product service, health, beauty, and more. If you're entering the wealth niche, I recommend selecting entrepreneur. After choosing your category, tap Done. Step 5. Choose your account. Type Next. Decide between a creator or business account. Creator is great for public figures, content producers, or artists. Business is suited for brands, retailers, and organizations. I recommend selecting Creator, but choose what fits you best. Tap Next. Step 6. Review safety settings. When you switch to a Creator account, Instagram will automatically enable additional safety features to help protect you and your community. You'll see a message that says, Step 7. Opt in for promotional emails. Optional. If you'd like to receive promotional emails from Instagram, toggle the switch on. If not, leave it off. Tap Next. Step 8. Set up Account Center. Optional. You may be prompted to set up the Account Center to manage connected experiences across Facebook and Instagram. If you're not interested right now, tap Not Now. Step 9. Complete the setup. Congratulations! Your account is now a professional account. You might see a checklist with 7 steps to fully set up your professional account. You can complete these steps now or tap the X in the top right corner to do it later. Step 10. Verify your professional dashboard. return to your profile page. You'll notice a new professional dashboard at the top, confirming the switch. And that's it. In the next video, I'll show you how to optimize your Instagram account and profile to make the most out of your professional account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Hey, I'm Peter. Let me show you how to create an Instagram profile photo that really stands out using Canva, and how to fully optimize your Instagram profile to attract more followers and engagement. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Canva and select the Instagram post template. First things first, log into your Canva account. A free account works just fine. Click on Create a Design and select the Instagram post template. It's a square format. This is ideal for your profile photo. Step 2. Upload your photo. Choose a clear, head-on photo of yourself. Once uploaded to Canva, drag it onto the blank square template. This will be the foundation for your profile picture. Step 3. Remove the background. To make your photo pop, you'll want to remove the background. If you have Canva Pro, click Edit Photo and then Background Remover. No Pro account? No problem. Use remove.bg, a free site, to take out the background, then download your image as a PNG. Step 4. Choose a background color in Canva. Back in Canva, open a blank template and select a solid background color that matches your brand or personal style. Add your transparent image on top of this colored background. Pro tip: add shadows to your image to give it a 3D effect and make it pop even more. Customize it to suit your vibe. Step 5. Download the image with the new background. Now that your photo is set on a solid background, download it again, this time without the transparent background. You want the color to stay visible. Step 6. Upload your profile picture to Instagram. Once your new profile picture is ready, head to Instagram and upload it. Your profile photo is one of the first things people notice, so make sure it's clean and professional. Step 7. Optimize your Instagram profile. Now that your profile pic is on point, let's make sure the rest of your profile shines too. Here's how to optimize your Instagram bio and layout. Profile picture. Use a photo that's easily recognizable, whether it's your face or your brand's logo. Username. Keep your username simple and easy to find. Avoid unnecessary special characters or numbers that could confuse people. Name field. This field is searchable. Add keywords related to your niche to increase your discoverability. Bio statement. Be clear about who you are and what you do. Make your bio visually appealing by using line breaks and emojis. Call to action, CTA. Always have a CTA in your bio. Example, click below for my free guide. This drives people to your offers or freebies. Achievements. If you have any awards or significant accomplishments, highlight them to build credibility. If not, share your goals. Example, I want to help 100 people achieve your goal. Link in bio. This is your opportunity to gather leads or promote digital products. Use tools like StanStore or Beacons.ai to organize multiple links and offers. That's it. With an eye-catching profile photo and an optimized Instagram bio, you'll make a lasting impression and attract the right audience. Ready to level up your Instagram game? Let's go. Hey, I'm Peter. Let's dive into how to fully optimize your Instagram profile and create engaging reels to boost your presence. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips. Step 1. Edit your Instagram name. Head to your IG profile and tap on Edit Profile, then click on Name. Your name should reflect your niche, so if you're unsure what to use, check out your competitors for ideas. Remember, you can only change your name twice in 14 days, so choose wisely. Step 2. Optimize your bio. Next, let's tackle your bio. As I always say, optimize your profile before uploading content. Here's a quick formula for your bio. The first line should explain who you are and what you do. For example, I write, helping people make money online. The second line should explain how you do it. I add, by selling digital products. If you're still unsure, Take a look at how your competitors describe themselves and use that as inspiration. Modeling successful accounts is key. Step 3. Add your URL. Now, add your URL in the bio. This could be a link to anything you're promoting, like a Beacons, AI, or Stan Store link. If you've grabbed my all-in-one digital marketing blueprint, you might have a long affiliate link. No worries. You can easily shorten it using bit.ly.com or similar tools. Want more info on the blueprint? Check out the link in my description. Step 4. Study your competitors. It's time to research your competition. Look up accounts in your niche or similar accounts you want to model. This is crucial because Instagram's algorithm will study your account and start showing your content to the right audience, just like your competitors' content. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start posting content. Step 1. Explore content ideas. Head to the Explore page, the magnifying glass icon on Instagram. Search for content in your niche, save it, or send it to yourself for future reference. This helps you gather ideas for your own posts. I usually repeat this process 10 times to get a variety of ideas. Aim to do this at least 3 to 5 times a day for fresh inspiration. Step 2. Download Faceless Reels. If you've got my all-in-one digital marketing blueprint, you'll have access to tons of faceless reels. Pick one from the collection that fits your content plan. Step 3. Edit with CapCut. Open CapCut, select the faceless reel you want to use, and edit it to match the content you're modeling. Keep the video length and format similar to the original. Once done, export your edited reel. Step 4. Upload and compare. Now, upload your edited faceless video to Instagram. Compare your content with the original you modeled. This helps you refine your style and keep improving. That's it. Just repeat this process and you'll be on your way to growing your digital marketing presence. Hope this helps you kickstart your journey. Let me know how it goes.